Hello everyone, it's Cribini and Tina.
Hi.
Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody just having a wonderful day because we're having a wonderful day.
Yes.
Because what's this day is, Tina?
Today is Saturday, so we are celebrating our 11 years of marriage.
Marriage. Anniversary time, y'all.
Yes. So cheers to that.
Cheers.
We're going to celebrate with you guys. Cheers.
Cheers.
Virtual cheers, right?
Salute toast.
So I told him that I was going to ask him a question. So now after 11 years of marriage through the good and the bad, my question is, would you still say, I do?
And I must say, I do again.
Good answer. I'm going to sit my wine down when I... Cheers to that. But here, you can sit my wine down now. I'm done with the wine.
All right.
So we were talking about what kind of makes our relationship and marriage kind of unique to us. And I asked him what he thought, if he could give me the three things that are really the foundation of our marriage, what kind of makes us,
Right.
Eric and Tina.
Right. And what makes us is first peace, because you gotta have peace in your home, love, and chemistry. Chemistry is very important with any relationship, especially ours.
So peace, what does that mean for you?
So peace is without arguing every 5 minutes.
We don't argue hardly, so.
And the house being in turmoil.
Yeah. So a peaceful relationship and at home.
Right.
Yes,
Right.
I agree.
Absolutely. And you know, there's a difference between a house and a home. There's a difference. House is a house of structure, but a home is where love is.
Yes. And talking through disagreements and solutions.
Talking through
yes.
agreements and solutions and having a peaceful relationship and home. And talk through disagreements and resolution and love. Love is the key. Showing love not in just words, but in actions, meaning, say what you do and do what you say. Chemistry, right connection between two people, personality, and common ground.
Yep, working together.
Working together.
What do you always say?
It takes two.
Teamwork makes the dream work is what I was going for, because he normally says that. Like, he screwed the pooch on that one. But I picked communication as my number one.
Okay.
Because I definitely think that you have to build a dialogue. You have to know that the person is hearing you and you're being heard. That's,
Right.
To me, that's important. I told him as a woman, I feel that, and I've always felt that in our marriage. So thank you, I appreciate that. And then teamwork, of course, was my number two, because I think that if we work together, we'll always achieve bigger and better things financially and in love and in respect. We just keep growing and growing and growing because we're working together as a team. I couldn't do it alone. You can't do it alone.
Absolutely.
It has to be a team. And then definitely quality time, because whether we're here or we go out abroad, like
Right.
even just hanging out or on trips, we go together.
Right.
We keep our date nights going. We spend time and we work on our relationship and our marriage. And I love that about us.
I love it too. It's been one of the greatest relationships I've ever had.
That's why we're still in it. There you go. But we just wanted to share a quick anniversary video with you guys. We're going to enjoy our day, have a nice dinner. It's beautiful out today. It was raining really, really badly the other day.
Yeah, it was.
And we wanted to bring in you guys because you guys are our YouTube family. And we want to
Right.
thank you guys so much for subscribing. Continue to hit subscribe. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. We reached over 900, so we let another sneak peek of the building out.
Right.
But we still have the behind the scenes, meaning our actual home to show you. Not till we reach 1,000, so help
Right.
us get there.
Help us get there.
And you said you wanted to thank.
Yes, I want to thank John Hastings, all those that are contributing to the channel. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We thank you very much.
Thank you for being patrons of the channel. It makes us feel like we don't put all that work in for nothing.
Right, absolutely. So thank you.
Yep. And we're going to have just a slight little memory lane after this, and we're going to have individual messages to each other. So stay tuned. Eric, hi, this is weird. Normally I'm doing a video with you, now I'm doing a video to you. But you know what? Nothing has been normal in our relationship anyway, so hey, why start now? That's how I figure. I just want to take a minute to thank you from the bottom of my heart for coming into my life, for all that you've done, for the man that you continue to be, strong, supportive, loving, and for taking a bunch of misfit kids, right, our kids, and loving them and raising them, and still, even though they're miles away, caring about what's happening and asking and being there and being present. I love you, we love you. The weight of my heart, I always said, was my kids, and you did it. Here's to like a million more years. This is just the beginning. And I wouldn't have picked a better partner to do this crazy life with. And God's blessed me beyond measure. I couldn't even thank God enough. So happy anniversary. And when this is all over with, coronavirus that is, let's get out there in this world and finish what we started.
So this video is for Tina. Tina, I love you very much. Happy 11th anniversary. I actually been knowing you for 12 years, but we've been married for 11. And you know what? Time flies when you're having fun. I remember when I first met you, I couldn't believe that you were that beautiful. I could not believe. I met you through a friend in Vegas. And when you came up to me and you started talking to me, I got real nervous because your beauty would just overshadow. I didn't know how to act, but I didn't know if to break dance or just bust a move. But I looked into your eyes and I seen that you had those beautiful green eyes. And I had to ask you, I said, was that contact? This can't be real. I mean, I just, wow. So, yes, it's just been a beautiful relationship, beautiful marriage. We've been through ups and downs as a couple, as normal couples do. But I'm glad that you're still in my life. I love you dearly. You're smart, you're intelligent, you're gifted, school-trained cook, school-trained bartender. I mean, just really, really rock my world. We've got many memories together. We've been all over the place. And you're just awesome mother, you're awesome mom, and you're awesome wife. And again, I take my hat off to you today. This is our day of celebration and having steak dinner later on this evening in our home, celebrating, okay, while we are celebrating again our 11-year anniversary. So I love you, I'm glad I met you, and I'm glad that our journey is together. So this is for us, baby. I love you. Tina Green Eyes. Forever and always.
Thank you for following us on our journey. Keep hitting subscribe, share us on social media, and we will see you guys on the next video.